Example here, I have an x and y values. These are observations, so to graph it and to observe their pattern, we will insert a graph which is called a scatter graph. So we have this. Now, a proper scatter graph should have a name. So that means, let's say this is mass. Let's say this is mass. And this is acceleration. The y is acceleration. So these are just examples. So let's say x is mass and y is acceleration. So we have this pattern. Now, to have a very good graph, we must insert labels. So chart design, we go to quick layout. So quick layout, we can see here this one has labels. So if we click that, we have the x and y axis. But that is this one is actually better. So this one. Now, let's erase this, that, and then let's write the x-axis. So let's say the x-axis here is mass, and the y-axis here is acceleration. And the graph here, we have a title. Let's say this is mass versus acceleration. And then we have this. Now, the one that you see here, this equation, so I'll just move it. The one that you see here is the one that you will compute if you solve for the least square method. The y is equal to mx plus b. And this is our value that is squared. If you square root this, you will have the correlation value, which is r.